Hello, 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 my gorgeous and beautiful shiny diamonds, shiny diamonds, shiny diamonds. How is everyone? Good, I hope. You guys, I had a video made for y'all of me doing acrylics and I still haven't released it. My husband is out of town for a week and a half and my daughter come from Jacksonville and she has been spending the past few days with me and it has been amazing. So she went and had her nails and toes done. I pampered her with a mani and pedi. And we are going to have a spray tan tomorrow, and tonight we steamed our face. She's in there steaming hers now. I just got through steaming mine after showering. She cut my hair, by the way. I took another 6 inches. So Diamond's hair that was all the way down to almost her butt is now a short, and it's layered in the front again, like it is in one of my pictures, and I love that look. So, and I had a it wasn't a Brazilian, it was a plastic surgery, but it has come back with a little bit of frizz and stuff. So I think I'm going to have her go ahead and do the Brazilian because I need that treatment. But I, meanwhile, just got in, y'all, my Baby Bliss 2-inch a flat iron. We'll be reviewing that too this week. She's leaving tomorrow after the spray tan, guys. So y'all will get 3 videos this week. I will show you my Baby Bliss. You're going to freaking love it. It's a 2-inch plate nano. Oh, yeah. All right. Now, what we're going to do tonight, after steaming, I didn't do the steaming with y'all because, like I said, she's in there steaming right now, and I did it while, you know, it was just not the right time. So, I will do the steam for y'all. It'll be next week because I'm going to have a spray tan. That's going to last about 5 to 7 days, and I don't want to steam it off, okay? So that's why we're doing our Microdermbrasions tonight. So I've got the Microderm Glow Mini, the Premium Diamond Tip, a Fine Diamond Tip, a Standard and Fine Suction Tips, filter replacement pack of 20, a cleaning brush, a charging base, a USB charging cable, a portable carry pouch, a user guide, and a 1-year warranty. Although, guys, on the side it says these things are supposed to be lifetime warranty. Now, that's what I read. Okay, so I got this Peptide Advanced Delivery Serum Complex from Microderm Glow. I bought with it. And let's see, the total for this baby, just so y'all know what you're looking at if you want to buy it. I'll put my link below. I have a affiliate link with them. So, okay, so I paid, okay guys, well honestly it's not showing, but I think I paid like $120, y'all. But I bought the skincare bundle with the peptide, the mini glow, and the 20 filters that you're going to need, and I bought an extra premium diamond tip for $18.99 for my husband because I want him to have his own face tip, guys, okay? So this is my husband's little facey tip. Let me show y'all. Actually, it's going to be the same that I'm going to show you that's mine. So I bought him the big one. And he's, like I said, out of town, so he can't do this right now. It's not going to take long, guys, for this, because the machine, I think it says that this little Glow Mini stays on 3.5 minutes total, and it has an automatic shut-off. It beeps every 30 seconds. You don't want to do but 1 minute on each sides, or your sides. Okay, so I bought him this one, the big one, and that's for this area. And then they have a finer diamond tip, you know, smaller for around your nose. I didn't buy him one of those, guys. It comes, like it said, with a total of 4 tips, which is that tip that I just showed you guys. I'm going to take it out because I'm going to be using mine. Okay, so guys, this is the system right here. This is your little mini, and it goes in the space, and this hole in here goes down in that. Okay, that's your charging port, guys. And it comes with a USB cable. You just plug it in. Mine actually comes fully charged because when it's blue light, it's fully charged, guys. So mine come with a blue light. It's fully charged, but I went ahead and did it an hour anyway. So it's got this little thing. I think I'm going to actually leave that. Little piece of tape. That's the power button. Well, maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. I'll take it off, I guess. But, okay, it's off. So that's your little power button, guys. This is the tip that goes around your nose, the suction tip. And then this is my big tip. And then it comes with this little tip to go around my nose with a diamond. 2 diamond tips. It comes with the 20 little things your filters and a brush to clean your, your heads off with, okay? That's the big suction tip. So that's your little suction, big suction, small diamond, big diamond, okay? So we're going to, I did do my face, like I said. So I think what I'm going to do first is the Microdermbrasion, and then we'll do the little tips around the nose and stuff. So you unscrew it, and it's already got a filter, and you want to have this filter on there. If it's not on there, one of these little filters, skunk will go into your machine and it will quit working on you. Okay, guys? So don't do that. And then you just place your tips on. So, hey, let's try this thing, shall we? So we're going to start on the face. I'm going to put our big tip on there for that. You just pop it right on and hold it. That's the low speed where the red dot, and then it's a blue dot up top here if you want it on the high speed. We are going to start with the low speed, okay, as suggested. Because I don't know how my face does with something like this, guys, yet. And I don't want to, like, hurt my face, and I'm going to get a spray tan tomorrow, so I don't want to hurt it. And this is very rough. Wow, okay. So let me pull this more taut. It says to pull your skin and just go. It's kind of hard, honestly, guys. Like, wow, okay. Okay, so I want to be a little careful with this thing. I can already tell that, guys. Yeah, I didn't really like the feel. See, that was 30 seconds. Y'all heard that beat? That's 30 seconds right there. So, and you don't want to go over the same area more than 2 times. It said, don't do more than 2 passes when you're first doing this, because it can hurt you, your skin, okay? So don't do that. I know I'm not doing this quite good yet, guys, but this is literally my first try, okay? So just bear with Diamond. Okay, so that side's pretty good. It's really red. I don't want to make it no worse. And like I said, this is my first time, so it's like I'm kind of scared. I'm going to be honest, guys. I'm a little scared of this thing, and this is it is rough like sandpaper on your face. So y'all can see how it's pulling. It's really got a lot of suction. This is the low, guys, at that. So y'all be very careful. I don't want to mess up my face for tomorrow. Don't go over the same area more than twice, it said. Because it's considered a mild microdermbrasion when you're doing it twice. If you go over the same area 4 times, it's considered a hard microdermbrasion, which you don't want to do on your first time. Guys, I'm really struggling with this. Like, dang, I don't know. Like, I'm struggling to do this. I'm just going to, and it's not really pulling my skin the way I want. Like, if I tighten that forehead, it's not even going to pull it. So I'm having a really hard time with this thing. I'm just going to be honest. I think I'm going too rough, too. But it's not really sucking like it's, I don't know. It's supposed to suck more than this, I think. I don't know, guys, but it's not really. It says to keep contact with your skin, which I'm trying to do, guys, but geez, it's like very, very rough. I don't like it, honestly. But we're going to do it. We're going to do it because that's what Diamond's decided to do. But I'm just hoping I'm not ruining my face for my my freaking spray tan tomorrow, guys. Don't go too many times. Just do it enough because it's already very red, guys. My face is super duper punctured with this thing, I think. And I'm not really going hard on it, guys. I'm just trying to get the darn suction to actually freaking suck, okay? So now we're going to turn it. Oh, I got to do my chin. Yeah, the suction is very weird. I'll say that. I don't quite get this yet. It's going to take Diamond a couple of times, I think, to get this, honestly, guys. Like, I just feel like it's going to take me some time. Because this is strange. And I feel like I'm roughing the heck out of my face right now, guys. I didn't want to go over it more than 2, but geez, guys, it's like, how do you get it to work? Like, it's just not sucking like it should in my skin. Especially my forehead, because it's so tight, I guess. I don't know, guys. Anyway, I'm not going to do no more damage, because I'm already getting worried that I'm doing too much and my tan might turn out really cruddy, okay? So let's stop with this. And I'm going to remove this, and let me just see, do I see any gunk, like dead skin? I've never had ever a microdermbrasion, so I don't have a lot of gunk. I mean, there's some. But like I said too, guys, this is really kind of hard to do. I don't know. It's going to take Diamond a minute. So I put the little tip on. We're going to do my nose. And this is the main thing you really want to get pretty decent, I think, is your nose for, you know, whiteheads, etc., guys, you know. So I'm not going to overkill, though, guys. I'm telling y'all, like, I already feel like I've done damaged my skin for a minute. But I do really want to get my nose. Because, you know, we got a lot of stuff on our little noses, guys. Whiteheads and blackheads. And it seems to be sucking this pretty good. It's hard, though, to really get this thing to suck. I'm going to be honest. Like, I'm finding it hard. I watched a video, and the girl, it sucked her skin, although hers wasn't getting red like mine. Mine is really red, so I'm not going to do any more, guys, tonight with this. I'm going to let that go for now. Let's cut it off. Take off this tip, and let's go in with a suction tip. So I'm going to do my nose with a small sucker. And then, guys, I'm going to call it a day. I'm not going to do no more of this today. I do want to get all in here, though. Get all these blackheads. That's what this does. That's just a sucker. That way you're not scraping your skin raw still, I hope. A little bit, but not as bad, you know. So that's all I'm going to do. Diamond's not going to do any more today, guys. I think that's enough. Although I really feel like it did not do good on my forehead. Oh, this seems to do better, guys. So you might have to go with a smaller one up here. If you've got a really tight forehead, see, I don't have much skin up there. It's very, very taut. Anyway, I don't even need to pull it back because it's so taut. So don't go in your eye orbits, it says, guys. So that's about all Diamond's going to do for today, guys. I really hope that I haven't overkill with this too much today. Let's hope not, but I'm done. I'm done with this, okay? That's enough of that. I feel like I've done, like I said, bruised my skin. I've got a girlfriend calling that's, like, trying to get through so bad. So then you're going to go in. I really don't see any stuff on my skin, guys. Like, I don't know if Diamond just has some really good skin, but I ain't seeing it. Not to say I'm not feeling it, because I am. Like, I'm feeling it, but I don't see any dead skin whatsoever. So, I'm not so sure about it, guys. We'll let you know. Not quite sure how I feel about this. Right now, I took the tip out. There's a little bit, maybe. Look, there's not much, though, guys. I'm going to be honest. Like, y'all know Diamond keeps it real. Like, I'm not fixing to fake nothing for y'all. Now, they do give you a couple of rings. I guess you have to replace it right around this outside from time to time. So just use some alcohol to clean the plastic ones with, and then use some Q-tips and alcohol to clean these. So I only used the small one, so I'm going to clean that for her. Then you take your brush, guys, and you're going to just lightly brush off the heads of these microderbrasions. And that's really it. Like, it's just skin. And honestly, guys, I don't feel like my skin come off of mine. Like, I really, really don't. Like, I don't feel like my skin come off. So I do feel like it roughed my skin up, but that's it. I don't feel like it's actually sucked any of my skin in. That's just my first try, though, guys. Maybe it's Diamond. I'll get better, maybe. I don't know. But I don't want to hurt my face, so that's the main thing. I'm not going to, and I feel like I already did, kind of, y'all, because it is pretty red. Spot on red, okay? So I'm going to put some Revitalists 1.5% hyaluronic. And then we're going to put that peptide on here that I bought. Now, that peptide is $48 a bottle. I mean, $35, I think. It's not that much. $35, I think. And Josh, the guy that runs this, said that he will give me, now I didn't do my neck, crap. I might do that in the morning, guys. I'm just not feeling like it. I'm done, baby. So I know it's red. I'm like, oh, and I really don't feel like, I was just telling them, I really don't feel like it took a lot of dead skin off or nothing. But I feel like it's freaking rawed my skin. Yeah, it's burning, even the serum a little bit. But yeah, it's scary. I was scared. Like I said, I've been visiting with my daughter, so I haven't spent no time with my YouTube guys, but I am starting to order products again, and we are going to have some fun, especially through the winter. So this is our serum, okay, that comes with it, that I bought the bundle. If you want to get the serum, guys, do the bundle.
Mom, it's not supposed to do that on Microdermbrasion.
Yeah, it does. It's a diamond tooth. It's like freaking, it's really rough. Like, you have to be careful, girls, all I tell you. I just didn't feel like it was sucking nothing out. Like, nothing come out. Nothing. Like, I didn't hardly see any dead skin come off. All I feel like it did is just rough my face up, to be honest. That's my opinion, you guys. Y'all heard it right here. Diamond told you. But we'll keep trying. Don't think I'm going to give up, y'all, because I done spent $100. So y'all know I ain't fitting to give up on it. But on the same token, I'm going to be super duper careful with this thing. And I'm definitely not going on the high yet, okay? So you guys, thank y'all for watching. I love you, my gorgeous and beautiful shiny diamonds. Y'all have a rest of a good week. This will be Wednesdays, like I said. I'll do the facial steamer for y'all over the weekend or next week. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a good night.